So, so your Roborock S50 or S55 is not putting water anymore on the floor. So it might be because the filter, this is the filter is dirty. Okay, you can clean it with the water, but it's very recommend to change every month till 3 months this tiny filter. Okay, I will show you how to do it, and I will attaching a link under this video to buy if you want. It's cost very few dollars for a couple of filters, and it's highly recommend to do it. And I will also give you a tip with the cleaning, and I will show you. So this is the filter. Okay, I will exchange all of this part, but you can change only the filter by putting it in. Very simple. Now, and this is the mapping part of the Roborock. Okay, look, you have those, and as you see, these are dirty, and it's filled with dirt, so we will just, oops, okay, we will change them. I will change all of it, but you can change just this. So okay, and my tip for this is to fill this tank not only with water, with a mineral or a water from a purifying machine, because it's more cleaner, and put some a floor liquid on the tank, some quantity of floor cleaning liquid, and it will do much better work than just 100% water. Okay, and that's all for now. I hope you find it useful, and I'm attaching the link for those filters.